When you talk about rate cuts, you're talking about the Fed. And Powell is the Fed chairman. He is in charge of the Federal Open Market Committee. And right now, he's got a meeting in September. All right, the meeting in September is where they're going to make their decision on whether or not they should lower the Fed funds rate. This week's reports, the inflation reports, may be the bilge pump that the Fed needs to help stem the flooding, all right, to basically right the ship. Because it didn't show inflation going down. Instead, it showed inflation steady, in fact, maybe going up a little bit. But you still have a lot of turbulence. Secretary of Treasury Besson is calling for a 50 basis point cut to the Fed funds rate in September. And he wants to see 150 to 175 basis point cut by the year's end, which would take the Fed policy down to neutral. Right now, the Fed is in a restrictive policy. But if they lower the Fed funds rate down right around 3% from the 4.25, 4.5% range that it's in, then they are in a more neutral policy. Quite frankly, that's really where they should have been over the course of the last several months.